Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about what is the use of Microsoft Outlook. So if you live in the 2000s or to the early 2000s, you will probably know Outlook, but not in its name because it used to be Hotmail. Because your Microsoft Outlook used to be Hotmail, but now it's just renamed into Outlook. So if you're familiar with your Google Mail or Gmail, as we all know, this is Gmail basically. It's just that simple. So you receive, send emails, all you can do. You have your calendars, you can schedule, you can do appointments right here, do your own schedule. Here in People, you have your contacts, you can save contacts just like in your Gmail. But the only thing you can actually do further than your own Gmail is actually use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and many more apps in the Microsoft 365 platform. So basically, it's just that simple. So you can create your new mail, send emails, receive emails, have your emails signed by this, and here. So it's basically just a dedicated application for your emails and many much more. Nothing more, nothing less. So if this helps you guys, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.